Have you ever wondered how much AI will influence our lives in the future? It's an intriguing question, isn't it? Artificial intelligence, or AI, is essentially machines learning from experience. It's a concept that's already shaping our world in ways we may not even realize. Take, for instance, Google's new 3D AI model, Smurf. This innovative product is pushing the boundaries of virtual visualization, making high-quality 3D rendering accessible right on your smartphones and laptops. How does it do this? By leveraging advanced technologies such as hierarchical structure optimization and effective training strategies. Now, imagine the vast potential of AI, not just in the realm of virtual visualization, but in every aspect of our lives. From healthcare to transportation, entertainment to education, the possibilities are endless. AI is not just a futuristic concept, it's here, it's now, and it's transforming our world. Imagine the vast potential of AI, transforming every aspect of our lives. AI might sound complex, but it's essentially about teaching machines to learn from experience. Let's scratch beneath the surface and unravel this intricate web. At its core, AI is a blend of mathematics and computer science. It uses sophisticated algorithms, which are like step-by-step instructions for solving a problem, to identify patterns within a sea of data. Imagine a giant jigsaw puzzle where each piece is a bit of data. AI works to put these pieces together to reveal the bigger picture, a pattern. Now, what about terms like hierarchical structure optimization and effective training strategies? In simpler terms, these are advanced methods used to make AI learn faster and smarter. Hierarchical structure optimization is like creating a well-organized filing system for data, making it easier for AI to find and use. Effective training strategies, on the other hand, are techniques to teach AI to make better decisions. So, essentially, AI is about creating smart machines that can think and learn like us. Yet AI isn't just about robots and sci-fi movies, it's already part of our everyday lives. From the moment we wake up to the time we retire to bed, artificial intelligence is subtly woven into the fabric of our daily routines. Consider your morning coffee. The beans were likely sorted by an AI-powered machine. Or your favorite series on Netflix. The recommendation engine, powered by AI, curates a personalized list based on your viewing habits. And it's not just about personal convenience. AI is revolutionizing industries, from healthcare, where it assists in diagnosing diseases with precision, to logistics, where it optimizes routes for faster deliveries. Even in retail, AI-powered chatbots are becoming the new customer service representatives, always available, always patient. From these examples, it's clear that our lives are becoming increasingly intertwined with AI in ways we might not even realize. It's hard to imagine a sector that isn't touched by the magic of AI. So what's next in the world of AI? Well, the future is brimming with promise. Take Tesla's Optimus Gen 2 AI robot, for instance. It's a marvel of modern engineering, boasting features such as custom actuators, enhanced mobility, and improved haptics. Imagine a robot so precise it could thread a needle. That's the level of sophistication we're talking about. But AI's potential stretches far beyond our living rooms. It's set to revolutionize industries, from robotics to automation, even extending its reach to the final frontier: space exploration. Picture AI-powered rovers traversing the craters of Mars, or artificial intelligence systems managing the complex operations of a space station. From the microscopic to the cosmic, AI is poised to change the way we interact with the world around us. The future of AI holds exciting possibilities. It's a journey we all are a part of, shaping and being shaped by it.